aspirants. Since we know that your CAT examination is only 15 days away, so we, the admissions committee at IIM Raipur, bring you a few tips and tricks for the D-Day from the students of IIM Raipur. So let's get into the video.
Hi, I'm Alicia. So the first tip that I want to share with you all is to have your own strategy, because what worked for someone else might not always work for you. You should be able to leave the topics that you're not comfortable with, because this can help in optimizing your time. Always keep an eye on the easy questions and make sure to not overspend your time on any question, because that will help you in optimizing your time to the fullest. Last but not least, stay hydrated and take care of yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Anugya Jahan. So by this time you would have attempted a number of mocks, and that is very important to train your mind for the D-Day. While giving mocks, try to categorize your questions from easy to medium, as it will maximize your score in that section and you will save a lot of time for the other questions. Finally, stick to the strategy, the one that works the best for you, and maintain your calm during the exam. Just go in with the "it's not the end of the world" attitude and you will sail through.
Hi guys, my name is Abhinav Singh, and these 15 days are most important days before your D-Day. So, first of all, review your notes and revise all your basic concepts you have done till date. Second, have patience and believe in yourself. And the last but not the least, stick to the process you have used during your mock tests, and you will do great. All the best.
Hi guys, I am Sanya Arora. So when it comes to the CAT exam, I feel strategy is the key. And some tips for you guys would be that make sure that you don't carry any hangovers from one section to the other. When you're catering to your quant section, make sure that you follow a strategy that suits you. For me, I followed round robin, which I categorized 3 questions each and did the easiest one of them. So like that, I completed 8 questions quickly. As you move to the DILR session, just make sure that you are choosing the right sets, because selection is really important. And also, please sleep well before you give your exam, because that is really important.
Hi guys, my name is Shreya Yadav. It's your last lap of preparation, so focus on your strengths. There is not much you can do about your weak areas. The maximum you can do is revise the basic concepts and formulas. Spend your energy on your strengths and try to maximize your score. Also, you must focus on your grey areas, which are neither your strengths nor your weaknesses, and try to convert them into your strengths. All the best.
Hi, my name is Nimish. As you are in your last phase of your preparation for CAT, I would advise you to not overdo with your preparation. It is imperative that you have a calm and composed attitude till your D-Day. The CAT paper is designed in such a way that it is not the one-night study that is going to work for you, but rather your cumulative performance. Hence, do not take mocks till the last day of your preparation. I would advise you to take complete rest and be as relaxed as possible. Get good 8 hours of sleep on the day prior to the CAT, so that you wake up fresh and with a positive attitude to tackle the upcoming challenge. All the best for your CAT preparation. The Panthers Den awaits you.
Guys, we really hope that you found this video helpful. We wish you all the luck for your examination and your preparation as well. See you soon in the next video.